Don't stop when you feel tired. There will be days when your body feels weak. There will be days when your mind feels heavy. You may feel like stopping. You may feel like giving up. But listen carefully. Feeling tired does not mean your journey is finished. It only means you are working hard. It only means you are trying. Everyone feels tired. Strong people feel tired too. People you admire feel tired. People who succeed feel tired. If you feel tired, it means you are trying. People who do nothing do not feel tired. People who give up early do not feel tired. So don't be ashamed of being tired. Anything important feels hard. Anything meaningful feels heavy. If your dream is big, the work will feel heavy. Easy paths do not change lives. Easy paths do not build strength. Hard paths make strong people. Hard paths build strong minds. So if it feels difficult, you are on the right path. You don't need to run. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to move fast. Just don't stop. Even a small step is good. Even a small step matter. Even quiet progress count. Slow is better than stop. When you are tired, your mind will say stop. Your mind will say this is too hard. You can't do this. There is no point. But these are not facts. These are just thoughts. These are tired thoughts. Do not listen to them. Think about why you started. Think about your reason. You wanted a better life. You wanted to grow. You wanted to prove yourself. That reason is still there. That dream is still alive. Do not let one hard day destroy your dream. It is okay to rest. It is okay to slow down. It is okay to breathe. But do not give up. Take a breath, then stand up again. Strong people rest. They do not quit. This tired feeling will go away. This pain will not last forever. This hard moment will pass, but quitting will stay forever. One day you will be proud that you did not stop. When it feels too hard, do just one more thing. One more step, one more try, one more minute. That is enough. Do not stop when you feel tired. Stop only when you are done. Keep going. Believe in yourself. Your future self is watching you. Make yourself proud.